In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image in the background using Canva. This simple technique can dramatically enhance the visual appeal of your designs. Let's dive in and explore how you can achieve this in just a few straightforward steps. First, head over to canva.com and log into your account. You can easily find the login button at the upper right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and easy to create one, so no worries about that. For those who already have accounts, you can sign in using your Google, Facebook or email credentials, whichever you find most convenient. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard brimming with various design projects. Now the next step is to choose the project you want to work with, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. This is a crucial part because your project canvas is where all the magic happens. Once you have your project open, it's time to think about the image you want to use in the background. Canva offers a fantastic library of stock photos that you can easily browse and choose from. Alternatively, if you have a specific image in mind, you can upload your own image. If your image resides elsewhere, such as on a cloud storage service, you can fetch it from there as well. Once you've decided on your image source, go ahead and drag and drop the image onto your design canvas, or simply click on it to add it if you're using a Canva stock photo. The image should now be displayed on your canvas. Now, here's where you turn that image into a background. Tap and hold on the image and this will bring up a menu. From this menu, select Set Image as Background or Replace Background. This action sets the image you selected as the backdrop of your design, providing a cohesive aesthetic to your entire project. After setting the image as a background, right-click on it for more options. You can further select Set Image as Background or Replace Background to refine your selection. This ensures you have locked in the image as the backdrop if you encounter any uncertainties during the process. Once the image is successfully set as the background, you might want to adjust it to make it perfect. You can use the handles on the image's border to resize it, ensuring it fills the entire canvas as desired. Don't hesitate to click and drag if you find you need to reposition it. This resizing feature allows you to customize the look to align perfectly with your vision. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly set any image as a background in Canva, enhancing your design's impact and appeal. Now you're ready to create stunning visuals with professional backgrounds.